Hello everyone and welcome back to TechDo. In this video, I am going to review AcePDF editor and converter. In today's digital age, PDFs have become the most popular document format due to their universal compatibility and security features. However, managing PDFs can be a daunting task, which is where AcePDF editor and converter come into play. AcePDF editor and converter is an all-in-one solution that offers a wide range of features to manage your PDF files. With AcePDF editor and converter, you can easily edit, convert, merge, split, sign, password protect, and compress your PDF files. The link to this software is available in the video description. After installation, open the software. Here you will see the interface like this. Here are multiple features. You can open any PDF file which you want to edit or convert. After opening the file, the interface like this. First of all, we have read mode. You can change it to single page view or two page view. With the two page view, you can view it like a book. And next we have add text option. If you want to add text into your PDF file, you can add your text very easily. You can edit your PDF files. For example, I want to enter some text here. You can also delete the text. You can change the font, font size, font style. You can fully customize your PDF files. And if you want, you can also insert blank page and insert from PDF. The conversion feature of AcePDF editor and converter is another standout feature. With this feature, you can convert your PDF files into various formats such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPG, and HTML. The signing feature of AcePDF editor is useful for businesses that require digital signatures. It allows you to create and add digital signature to your PDF files with ease. You can also password protect your PDF files to keep them secure. One of the features of AcePDF is its OCR, which can be used to convert scanned PDFs or images into editable and searchable text. To use AcePDF's OCR mode, simply click on it, choose the language of the text in your document. AcePDF will then analyze the document and convert it into text. Once the OCR process is complete, you can then edit or search the text within the document using AcePDF's built-in text editor. This can be particularly useful for converting scanned documents such as contracts, receipts, or invoices into editable files that may be easily modified or shared. And at the top, we have comment option. You can highlight your text, you can underline the text, you can strike through the text, and you can add sticky notes. You can see here we have multiple options like stamp. You can also add the stamps into your documents. The compression feature of AcePDF editor allows you to reduce the size of your PDF files without compromising on quality. This is particularly useful when you need to send large PDF files via email or upload them to a website. AcePDF editor is an excellent tool for managing your PDF files. With its intuitive interface and comprehensive features, it provides a one-stop solution for all your PDF needs. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient PDF editor and converter, then AcePDF editor and converter is definitely worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any question or comment, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.